Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with Larimar, the stone of spirituality. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to start incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we're going to be talking about how you can do that with the stone Larimar, the stone of spirituality. Now, Larimar is a gorgeous stone. It's a light sea blue, and it has different shades of the blue in it. It's really gorgeous, and it is primarily found in the Dominican Republic. I've heard reports that it's found elsewhere, but it's mainly found there. This is a scarce stone. The quantity of it is finite, so it is a little bit more expensive than the other gemstones you might use. I think this little tumbled piece cost me probably about $20. Since it is scarce, there is an opportunity for fraud that people might offer simulated stones that look the same color. So definitely when you're shopping, look for the terms genuine, natural, that it comes from the Dominican Republic, so that you can be more confident that you're buying a genuine piece of this stone. So this is the stone of spirituality. And the first benefit of working with Larimar is that it induces a deep sense of love and peace and tranquility. It's deeply soothing and relaxing. If you are experiencing stress or anxiety, tension, overwork, then sitting with Larimar will help you release it. It's a stone that inspires love and peace. So it helps encourage harmony in relationships. If you've had a tense relationship with someone, you're currently arguing, or you have some hard feelings, then Larimar helps you to connect with them, to remember why you care about them, and to try to understand their point of view. It helps us release hard feelings, because sometimes we can still feel those well after the issue is gone. So if you're feeling like you need to sit in a space of calm and peace, then meditating with Larimar is just a wonderful stone to soothe you. The second benefit of working with Larimar is that it enables spiritual awakening. This is a gemstone that is incredibly helpful if you're finding it difficult to settle into meditation, that you feel a little antsy, a little distracted, then Larimar induces that feeling of calm and peace, and for your mind as well, to release the chaos and swirl of the thought and settle down into a deeper meditation experience. It also helps raise your vibration so that you can open up to spiritual practices and meditations and visualizations more easily, and that you can more noticeably experience the results of those practices. The third benefit of working with Larimar is that it helps us release barriers. It helps to dissolve emotional and mental barriers that we have built up that are blocking our life progress, our spiritual progress. It helps to free yourself from that negative self-talk, that inner critic, from self-sabotaging behaviors. When you start feeling like, oh, I can't do that. I'm not qualified for that. Nobody will want me to do that. Then Larimar helps you release that. Release that cycle of negativity within and dissolve those barriers so that you feel more open to doing it. We see self-sabotaging in multiple areas of our lives, and not just spiritual, but career and relationships and creative efforts, that we get stuck because we're either afraid of failure, afraid of success, afraid of the unknown. Then we tend to find ways to procrastinate or convince ourselves that we can't do it, or find barriers and blockades to put in our path, like I don't have the time to do that. And Larimar helps to energetically dissolve all of that, to dissolve it in your mind and your heart and your spiritual energy so that you can actually take that step forward. And since it is the stone of spirituality, it's very effective when those barriers are coming up in your spiritual progress. And then the fourth benefit of working with Larimar is that it strengthens our connection with our spirit and angel guides. So if you've been wanting to make that connection with them, or if you've had that connection but want it to be stronger, then sitting with Larimar and sending out that invitation to your guides, whether they're your guardian angels, your spirit guides, spirit animal essence, the universe, whatever essence that you feel provides that guidance for you, then Larimar will help to strengthen that pathway. It helps you not only to sense their presence, but to help you just notice and really know that you are not alone, that you are supported, and they are there to help you. It also helps you to recognize, to hear, and notice signs from your spirit guides. So it's really good if you've been meditating with Larimar for this intention to keep a journal and to notice the synchronicities and, repeated messages, angel numbers, repeated songs and colors, and anything that might come up to you that feels like a sign, and to write it down. And that's a way you can start capturing the messages from your spirit guide. So Larimar is a gemstone that wants us to relax, release our doubts, and put our trust into spirit, to allow it to lead us to a healthier, more fulfilling place in life. The feeling of this stone when I hold it is so light, yet so supportive at the same time. It's an incredibly, incredibly powerful stone. Thank you so much for sitting with me today to listen about the crystal wisdom benefits of working with Larimar. And if you feel like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days on Friday, I will be posting a guided meditation with Larimar. And you do not have to have a piece of this stone to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything in this video or during the guided meditation really stands out to you, really feels familiar, then that is a sign that you should get a piece of that gemstone and work with it some more. So if you are new to the channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week and how it can help you improve your life right now. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed and you really want to experience a deep dive into gemstones and crystals, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much for sitting with me today, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.